Cameras save photos in two different ways. They save RAW files or they save JPEG files, or you can actually save both together. I want to encourage you to start saving your photos as RAW files. They take up a bit more space on your cards and on your hard drives, but they contain all of the information, all of the detail that your camera captures. And once you start to really appreciate them, you'll really enjoy your photography a lot more, because big part of photography these days is post-processing. And whether you're using one of our photographycourse.net presets for Lightroom, or you're managing the color and the lighting and everything by yourself, when you're working with a RAW file, you can just do so much more with it. I really believe that when you take RAW files, when you save RAW files from your camera, this will help you improve your photography a lot, because you'll be able to get a deeper sense of what you can do with your image when you're editing it. And if you're new to photography, if you're not sure about photo editing, check out the link in the description below and check out our presets that are available on our website.